When I talk to our customers, I consistently hear three key challenges at the moment. The price of raw materials and power, as well as demand and price for products, become more and more volatile. Just think about what is happening this week. The pressure to increase EBIT through productivity gains is rising, and it's becoming increasingly difficult to attract and retain qualified and experienced staff. What does that mean? If we want to maximize EBIT, we now continuously have to change the production mode of our assets according to fluctuating prices for raw materials, power and products. The classical systems that we need for this are complex and constantly now need to be adapted to new operation scenarios and changes in the plant hardware by highly qualified humans. And as our customers struggle to provide these highly qualified humans sufficient experienced staff to do this adaptation, the system performance deteriorates, and with it, the EBIT. The way out of this are self-optimizing plants. This means the plant understands the key KPIs to optimize and learns which levers to pull to optimize the KPIs through experience. At Linde, we believe that the future of industrial operation lies in this intelligent, self-sustaining, autonomous plant operations. Since we already have several years of experience with self-optimizing solutions that operate large process plants, we know that this is not a dream, but a reality today. Our collaboration with TCG Digital is intended to accelerate the deployment of this solution. The collaboration unites Linde's market-leading experience to deliver AI-powered, robust, closed-loop process control using our own operating experience at scale, and TCG Digital's leadership in AI-driven part intelligence. Our objective is to transform the operations of our customers towards autonomous operations with software solutions that learn how to self-optimize for highest yields and maximum efficiency for all the different operating conditions. At the same time, pervasively monitoring equipment health and process safety, boosting reliability and safety through AI-powered decision support. At the heart of this collaboration is Linde's AOPS Ignite platform for automatic plant startup and production mode changes, as well as for AI-powered advanced process control, and TCG Digital's mcube platform for AI-based real-time analytics and real-time optimization. These platforms provide the basis for a fast deployment of robust large-scale solutions that continuously determine the optimal asset operation mode, automatically move the assets to this mode, and optimize steady-state operations. This partnership enables us to help our customers to swiftly maximize their EBIT with little risk and fast return, improve safety and sustainability, and cope with experienced operators becoming a scarce resource.